Blind spot detection by CUB helps your RV safely with confidence. Approaching vehicles aren't always visible in your mirrors. The CUB blind spot detection system is specifically designed to alert you of vehicles in those areas. When changing lanes, the lane change alert feature warns you of vehicles in the detection area or approaching with a risk of collision. The rear cross traffic alert feature warns the driver as the vehicle is exiting the perpendicular parking space while reversing of approaching traffic. CUB systems are always easy to install with an OEM appearance and quality. Outstanding features and performance protect your family and RV.